If you want to add a home screen page on the Samsung Galaxy A37, what you can do is you can simply drag and drop any app, folder, or widget into a new page. So usually you can, for example, press and hold your finger on that thing that you have on the home screen, and then you can just go all the way to the right side. You will find this blank page, and you can just drop anything that you want to place in here just like that. Of course, you don't have to have this thing on the home screen already. If you want to, for example, add a new app, then you can easily do so as well. If you press and hold your finger, then you can just drag it to the home screen and then go all the way to the right side in order to create another page. There we go. And there is the second method. If you press and hold your finger on an empty space, then you should be able to see all the pages that you have on the home screen. And if you go to the maximum right side, you should be able to find this blank page with the plus. So if you tap over here, you will create a new page. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.